Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another good question on the topic of polygons, and the question has been taken from the CAT 2023 exam slot 3. Now the question is as follows: in a regular polygon, any interior angle exceeds the exterior angle by 120 degrees, then the number of diagonals of this polygon is. Now we are not provided an option because this is a theta question. So I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come to this video for the solution. I hope that I've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our given question, we are given that a polygon is a regular polygon and the interior angle exceeds the exterior angle by 120 degrees. So let's take the interior angle of the polygon as x and exterior angle of the polygon as x minus 120 degrees. Now we know that the sum of interior and exterior angle of a regular polygon is 180. So x plus x minus 120 is equal to 180, and from here we'll get 2x is equal to 300, or the value of x as 150. So x is equal to 150, that is the interior angle of the polygon, and the exterior angle is 150 minus 120, that is equal to 30 degrees. Now we have to find the number of diagonals of the polygon. Now before finding the number of diagonals, we have to find the number of sides of the polygon. Now the formula for finding out the number of sides is equal to 360 by the value of the exterior angle of the polygon. So in that case, the answer is 360 by 30, that is equal to 12. So the polygon is of 12 sides. Now to find out the number of diagonals of the regular polygon, we can use the formula as nc2 minus n, which is nothing but n into n minus 3 by 2. So if we put the value of n as 12, we get 12 into 9 by 2. So 12 and 2 will get cancelled out, and we have 6 into 9, that is equal to 54. So our given polygon of 12 sides will have 54 diagonals. So we use three formulas. One is the sum of interior angle plus exterior angle of a regular polygon is 180. Then the number of sides of a regular polygon by calculating is equal to 360 by the value of its exterior angle, and then the number of diagonals of a regular polygon is nc2 minus n, which is nothing but n into n minus 3 by 2, and from here we got our answer as 54.